key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. On an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story of the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Left to right only, and we'll call you by your phone number.
To our valued guests, for your safety once on board, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your special care to supervise your children. Thank you.
Somebody behind bottom row grab, please pull in the...
It's empty in here. It's just us guys.
Very empty in here.
You are the passengers of the most uncommon elevator about to ascend into the very north of the Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator after a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's open. To discover what lies in the elevator beyond the deepest and darkest part of imagination, in the Tower of Terror. welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning, something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Check out to your left.